Okay, so the boiling the dumplings. I would drop it in the egg.
Leftover eggs.
That was from egg wash we made the dumplings with. Neat. So what's in the broth? Black
Garlic.
sesame oil?
Garlic powder, garlic powder, onion powder,
Mm-hmm.
ginger powder, all of which you can use the real thing, too.
Mm-hmm.
Sesame oil,
Mm-hmm.
soy sauce, and I'm choosing to serve the sriracha on the side this time, and the black Chinese vinegar, which are over on the table. Also, there's two Noor chicken stock blocks melted into there,
Okay.
and that's it.
Cool.
And the sesame oil is what makes it really Asian-y.
Where's the sesame oil?
It's in the cupboard on the second shelf. And the top cupboard over here. To the right behind the sunflower seeds. Keep your sesame oil away from the edge of any shelf because if it breaks, it's terrible to clean up.
We broke it on our neighbor's sidewalk once.
It took months to clean.
A whole winter. Of snow and
Yeah, a winter,
Salt.
really? Yeah.
Mhm.
Before it came up.
so you said 5 to 7 minutes on that?
Yeah, these are almost done. I'm going to test one now to make sure. I'm just going to take one out. And test it.
Make sure that ground beef is cooked.
Yes.
Don't want to be eating raw ground beef. That's not good for you.
We'll just cut one open just to test her out. Oh yeah. All done. And delicious.
That's cooked.
Everything's cooked, everything's brought to a high boil. Okay, now we're ready to serve. And I'll put some in a bowl. And show you how I serve it. This is totally fine, totally cool. You just take a little bit of the broth, a little bit of the dumpling. You'll get some protein in there. Okay, then you just take a little. You can garnish this with vegetables if you like, if you want vegetables, which I'm going to have a nice salad later in the week. Okay, you just put a little bit of this black Chinese vinegar on the top. If you go to a Chinese restaurant, they serve this mixed half and half with soy sauce. And there you go. It's a delicious meal in itself. If you don't have this, lemon juice or lime juice also tastes fabulous with soy sauce.
Thanks, Terra.
Yeah,
All right.
no problem.
Time to eat.
Yep, I'm just going to